Yo, what is going on, guys? Many of you have been asking for this, so here it is. I'm finally crumbling and giving in to your requests. I'm going to be showing you the best Dandy's World codes in 2026. I've been searching all morning, trying tons of different codes. Most of them are either expired or they don't give you much at all. But I'm going to show you the best Dandy's World codes working right now. You can get tons of free Ichor. You can unlock all skins and tunes, and it takes a few minutes. Before I show you this, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, guys, because I am always finding the latest and greatest codes for Dandy's World Roblox. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into this tutorial and show you how to go ahead and get these codes for Dandy's World. So as you can see, I do recommend you use your mobile phone, and it just allows you to get your code quickly and easily. So head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So let's go ahead and type that in. Copy along, guys. Crash Coupons. This is an interactive video, isn't it? If you're copying along, you should get to this website. And once you reach this page, they have hundreds and hundreds of codes that are not for Dandy's World. So what you're going to want to do is use the search bar. Pretty self-explanatory, but in there you just type in Dandy's World and it should pop up. There's only a couple of verified codes, but as I mentioned, you can get tons of free Ichor. So you can get 100,000 free Ichor, and you can unlock all skins and trinkets. And these are very highly rated. You can see 3,771 ratings of 5 stars. I've just given it one more. I've already done this. So scroll down and choose the code you want. I'm just going to select the 100,000 free Ichor code. I can imagine most of you are going to choose this one. These are limited codes, but they do replenish, so it doesn't matter that there's only 100 plus codes. That there's always going to be codes available, guys. But it does stop people getting more than one code, so you can do this once. So as you can see, my personal Dandy's World code is currently locked. Like I said, I did this earlier, so I won't do the full process. But basically, you need to click on this button. And it takes about 5 minutes to get your Dandy's World code, but you just need to follow the instructions on the screen here, and it is pretty easy. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code, and make sure you follow the instructions below each app. So these are basically mobile applications where you just have to download, install them, and run them. You can even do like play mobile games, where you just have to play certain games. So I've accidentally clicked on one there. But yeah, there's a bunch of different things. There's even like free surveys where you just have to answer some questions and input some info. They're all completely free, and they will take about 5 minutes. But if you fully complete 2 of them, it's going to send you back to this page. Like I said, I did this earlier. But yeah, basically, if you complete 2 tasks, your code will be revealed. So your Dandy's World free Ichor code will be unlocked here on Crash Coupons, and you can go ahead and redeem it in game. And that one's going to give you 100,000 Ichor for completely free. So head on over to Crash Coupons and just navigate your way using the search bar at the top there for the Dandy's World Roblox codes page and select which code you want. Make sure you do follow the instructions to unlock your code. It takes about 5 minutes, but it is well worth it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and as always, guys, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace out.